Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, young quick. Good. So after that, we are coming to read this page, okay? So what is the heading?
Sam's pet.
Sam's pet. Very good. Sam's pet. Okay. So let's go. Into our four. Oba say, our four mbe say, book no uyi leaflet back wa. Uyi leaflet back say ya. So Oba say, yama o heading no. Sam's pet. Say that or can you know? Oba say, book no ya number page no words na book no no. Oba say, page no and I say, krata no so no. In some of the actual passage, numbers are one chain. Into where 5, which let's say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your 5 words. Ewaha. Netos 11. 11 until 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Until 11 here. Until okay words ni na open your 20. Until naturally say, page where you or kind 20 words. But no question when you say reading should be measurable. So when you have a Asian can yen kind like a 7 yes sir or bini baba ebunitim there be Osia with the sounds not of their kind. It should be measurable. I was what me carry say the adene ekofa. No na yaman the numbers no. I feel so bad say I baby actual parents kana. This our parents corner we know. What's the actual said? Parents are involved in listening to their child read every day and sign. Since the passages are short, this is a quick activity for parents and doesn't take much time on their part. It's a new maybe 15 minutes. Sima do na webi. Into what we say? You were Monday, you were Tuesday, you were Wednesday, you were Thursday, and you were. Men fan say, and there are many abu free a video, and there a Monday. And there Monday, and the Maria many a video. Uba say, you were total words read. She said, in some four, and I say, in some abu fan of King Kayano, opening a boom one, it drew a dunu 20. Enti say okay we are total words read no make sure 20 ewa ha 20. Okay, so see no number of errors and I say ebi mutaka errors if I show any errors error number of errors okay into no and someone and I say reading now words are already or one pronounce ni and I say one can you know na say wetin otia error. Okay, good. Entinu no actual enti say oti miensa and I say oti enan and so actual na uwia na wati every na actual total correct words na ewo ho we are na wasan enti me la be ye na mohun say de tie entinu and then Monday ye be ye ochna Tuesday so me mfa different page me fa page we ya biem na me na ye send ye be ya baby a oye mfumso no a metwetwetwa ase no obesa kan na mahwe se obe ye mfumso o hobi mu ana se o kan na oduru ho obe kai se ba ko na me ne ye adwada na se Monday no oduru ho no otin ye na me kire no send ye wo so ye de ben o kan no into beka ne say me say on kan no into yenko aseda. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You are ready. Very good. So you begin with the topic. Let's go.
Sam's pet.
Sam's pet. Okay. Let's go. Point it and read.
This is Sam's cat. Tim.
There's a full stop here. So what do?
Stop.
You stop. So read with the full stop in mind.
This is Sam's cat. Tim.
Very good.
Tim naps milk from a dish. 10 naps on Sam's bed.
Semo besha we okano nap. But enye nap eye 6. Enti no match na Jesus say. I said that this one you said nap. It's not nap. Look at it well. Look at it to break it down. Voice, open your mouth. Open your mouth loudly. Let's go. 1, 2, go. Is this sn or s? Look at it well. You are bringing sn. Look at it well and use the sounds to pronounce it. Very good. So break it down. Open your mouth. Very good. So pick it up again. Pick it up again. Pick it up again from there.
10 sips milk from a dish.
Very good.
10 naps on Sam's bed. 10 runs from Max.
Very good. Enti so besha we no anka waso ka anka beye ps no oduru ha no o say naps na say na dwimpo any sounds na o use no so sana mo frate enti wona wo tene nchen no wona wo sound so bie wani na wo hwe enu nti we nya magic book a wo de ma akwala pe na akwala na nkasa akan dabi ohia obi supervision say all kinkan no na obi guide no na buku na ho odin no etimi aboa na na etimi ahwa kinkan etimi sremo moma yemwa yemma no yentino mo ho na yemwa wo na wontimi nye enche 50 minutes spare na wono ba na wie enti we say ya otin ye we say ya otin ye enti no watin we enti no and na Monday total words read, 20. Okay. Number of errors. 1. Because otin bakope. Okay. Intinu 20 minus 1. It have 10. We want for 9. Na aha aka 1. 1 no na what the abahasi. Into the total correct words no 19. Total correct words 19. Na parent sign na what sign no fe amame into way Monday na ko bombo a ochina enumere nso mi fradwuma ba mene no ebeye Tuesday but the ya awufo ni bi eye a eboa won temene se esa ne se ade no ehia mre bebre na odi ayi nti no Monday anopa oni ni beye okọ adwuma na oba enumere oni ni beye na ahye Tuesday no anamu na ade kye eye Tuesday no na waye Wednesday die no anopa enti oba enumere a na waba beye Thursday die no enumere na Thursday anopa no na waye Friday die no anopa oba enumere a na wano ne abu through nia oni na ye for the whole week nia wofo ni bi eye no no omama ye result e kire se eboa won na wonya result no enti awofo no mu a yeni ewo ye ma akenkan ne adesua ho no sei na books no ye use no into wie pe na wama abofa no akoda woni ne yes ade we ya na ohu akenkan a ye obeka no se me papa anase me maame ene kire me akenkan me kai ebra me ba koje award owie KG2 our class 1 or the best student in the preschool award no stage no so ye the interview no ye bisa say na o si dan na akrake to bi kan ade saa na hwana aye na saa teacher fo ho no mu enso wanka se omo o se ne papa e na kire no akenkan enti sa wo so tumi nyamre e ma wo ba e wo sa akenkan yi mu a daachi obebo wudin se wo na kire no akenkan me da wase onti bibia ase a WhatsApp yen ana se my email ye beje wo so midin e de kwabena amoa nyame kwani me da wase nyame chira no bye bye. Bye bye.